Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's currently like 7:15. I've been up and I've had my coffee. Been up since like 6 a.m. I just have not gotten good sleep in forever. So the sun just came out. Look at how pretty it is. You can still see the moon. How cute. And then, hold on, you pan over and there's Kitty. Kitty, you wanna look at me? Kitty. And there's Chip. Hi! I'm just chilling. This is like my favorite view in the morning. So my last vlog, I did a tiger mist haul and I got more stuff. So I had to show you guys that today. I have my parents coming over for dinner, just like a family dinner. Like I haven't seen them in forever. And then this weekend, I have a 2-day volleyball tournament. So that will take up most of my time. Okay, it is now time to tackle the dusting part. Not dusting, but like last part of today. I haven't done this in a while and my whole house just needs kind of like a refresh. I vacuum though like 3 times a week because I have literally 4 pets and the hair gets everywhere. So I do need to buy, so I need to go grocery shopping today for a last minute stuff. I need to buy like one of those like feather dusters because I've just been noticing, like I think it's just that time of the season, so many spider webs everywhere, like on my ceiling. I guess not everywhere, but mostly on the ceiling and like in light fixtures. Okay, now that I have the house cleaned up just a bit, I need to go grocery shopping and just grab a few things for tonight. As always, it always turns into me getting much more than I actually need. So, well, not actually need, because Brian and I are really trying to not go out to eat as much as we usually do. And so far we've been very diligent with it and very good, but that just means we need to have more food on hand. So not a huge issue at all. And I also wanted to try this ground turkey. Pretty good, huh? Now for lunch, I'm literally just gonna make a giant Caesar. It sounds so good right now. Just like half of a bag of, no, not half, it's the full thing, but like, it's not like an insane amount of lettuce. And then it comes with croutons and some dressing. I don't think I'm gonna use all of the dressing. Alrighty. And then once I'm done here enjoying my lunch, I'm going to make my cucumber bean salad. I don't even know, like there's no recipe to it. I'm just gonna toss a bunch of stuff together and hope for the best, so. Come on, Macy. Macy and I just got back from our walk. Yeah, we got back from a walk. We're not going on another. Her face right now. My hat looks crazy, but since it's like warming up here, I think the temp, let me check the temp because it's crazy talk if I say it. Yeah, it's 25 degrees. It is warming up here though. It's a nice day out because it's sunny. So I'm trying to make sure to get her some walks in. Well, it's nice. We took walks every single day in the summer, so I feel bad that I switched her routine, but I can't go outside. She can't go outside. It's so cold. But like I said, now that it's warming up, we get outside. Okay, so I'm making dinner for my family. I have quinoa. I did not realize the salmon I am making is breaded, but luckily I went grocery shopping, so I'm gonna make my mom some ground turkey. And then you guys saw me cut up this like little cucumber salad. And yeah, that's what's for dinner. Right, Chippy? Chip, hi. Oh, hi, kitty. Okay, somebody just woke up. Okay. I wish you guys could smell how good that coffee smells. Why is that not my... I wish you guys could smell the coffee. It just smells insane. I was gonna like sleep in today, but I don't know why I just cannot sleep. So got up at 6:20. Here I am making coffee. I don't know if I ever told you guys that you guys know I'm a volleyball coach, but I also do the social media for them. And we have a big tournament in Minneapolis, and there's like a morning wave and there's an afternoon wave. I play in the afternoon with my team, but a bunch of our teams are in the morning wave. So I'm like, oh, I made it my goal to just like leave around like 9:30, but I'm like, well, since I'm up, I might as well start getting ready and just get going. I already have my lunch packed and all that. I did that last night, so no sense in just sitting around. Whenever I put my shoes on, Chip comes running because he loves to play with the lace. Hi, kitty. Okay, so like I said in the beginning of this video, I got some Tiger Mist stuff that I wanted to show you guys. And I did like a little TikTok haul of this. So follow me on there, you might have seen it, but I'm really not that active on it. So I'm gonna show you guys just 3 pieces of what I got. Okay, so first up I have this little Chrysler top in paisley. That's what it's called. It's not something I would typically get because you can see it's like a bandeau here. And then it has like this built-in like scarf almost. But I like it. It's like my favorite. It's like my favorite colors. It's pink and green. So I like this one a lot. We're going to Arizona next month, so I'm definitely bringing all of these. Okay, this next one is also like a fun bandeau top. Black. I got this one in a medium. I thought it might be too tight, but it fits great. It has like this deep cut. I think it's very flattering. It fits nice. And then the last bandeau also had this, but it has like little rubber grippies here, so it's not really gonna fall off, which is great. That's why I like Tiger Mist. Like, it's just a higher quality of fashionable items. Like, Tiger Mist is up here and compare it to like Fashion Nova, it's down here, let's be real. So I just like them a lot better, and I feel like they have much better basics, and these items are gonna last much longer. Okay, and then this one is just really fun. It just screams summer to me. So it comes with this like white triangle bra, and then over the top you have this white mesh tank, like a little keyhole detail here. I think it's really cute. It's very flattering. I love white in the summer because it just makes you look super tan. So again, I am definitely gonna be bringing this to Arizona. I'm gonna be wearing it literally all day in the summer.